Hi everyone, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, I'm going to show you how to make shrimp scampi. This dish is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal, and it only takes about 20 minutes to prepare. Let's get started. First, we'll gather our ingredients. We'll need 1 pound of your favorite cooked pasta, 3/4 pounds of small shrimp, peeled and deveined, a half cup of butter, a 1/4 cup of white cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, a half teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then we'll fill a 4-quart pot 3/4 of the way full with water and salt it if desired, and heat it on the stovetop over high heat until boiling before adding our pasta. Once boiling, we'll cook fresh pasta for about 3 minutes, or packaged pasta for 8 to 12 minutes. While we're waiting on our spaghetti to cook, we'll make our sauce. We'll melt our half cup of butter on the stovetop over medium heat and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until slightly browned and bubbling. Then we'll stir in our 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley flakes, half teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and our 1/4 cup of white cooking wine. We'll let this mixture cook for about 2 minutes. While our sauce is finishing, we'll drain our pasta. Then we'll add our shrimp to our sauce and cook the shrimp for 90 seconds per side before setting them aside for plating. Then we'll return our drained pasta to our pot, toss it in our sauce, plate our pasta, and top it with our shrimp. This dish is so easy and flavorful, you'll want to make it again and again. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.